seals fuel tank, prevents leaks, contamination, evaporation, and ensures safe vehicle fuel storage. Today's video is about top 5 best fuel cap that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Jojoy Lux Fuel Cap. This upgraded diesel fuel cap is a practical and well-built accessory for Ram diesel trucks in compatible 3.0L EcoDiesel and Cummins systems. It fits 2013 to 2019 Ram 1500, 2500, and 3500 models with capless fuel systems, offering a solid aftermarket solution. The standout feature is the upgraded neodymium magnetic base, which holds the cap securely against the fuel door during refueling. This small detail adds real convenience and prevents the cap from getting lost or dropped. Build quality is impressive, made from CNC machined 6061 T6 aluminum. It feels much stronger and more durable compared to factory plastic caps, offering long-term reliability and resistance to wear. Installation is simple, and the dual O-ring design helps create a tight seal, protecting the fuel system from dust, dirt, and debris. The included DEF cap adds extra value for diesel users. Overall, this is a durable, functional, and thoughtfully designed upgrade that improves both convenience and protection for your diesel fuel system. Now our second product is Manymiba Fuel Cap. This fuel cap replacement is a solid and reliable option for a wide range of GM vehicles, including Chevrolet, GMC, and Cadillac models from 2007 to 2011. It matches OEM part numbers like GT295 and 209159990, so it's important to verify compatibility before ordering. The build quality feels durable, made from high-quality materials and thoroughly tested before shipping. It fits securely and works as a direct replacement, making installation quick and hassle-free without any modifications. Once installed, the cap seals properly and helps maintain fuel system integrity by preventing dirt, dust, and vapor leaks. It feels sturdy compared to older worn-out caps and restores proper function immediately. I also appreciate the broad vehicle compatibility, covering Silverado, Sierra, Tahoe, Yukon, Suburban, and Escalade models, which makes it a versatile choice for many owners. The added 12-month warranty and responsive customer service provide extra peace of mind. Overall, this is an affordable, dependable, and easy-to-install replacement fuel cap that gets the job done well. Our third product is Landsin Fuel Cap. This locking fuel tank cap is a practical and reliable replacement for a wide range of vehicles, including Chevrolet, Dodge, Ford, and GMC models. It matches several OEM part numbers, making it important to confirm compatibility before purchase. The build quality feels solid, made from high-quality ABS plastic combined with a durable rubber sealing ring. It fits securely and creates a tight seal that helps prevent fuel vapor leaks and reduces the risk of fuel loss, which also supports better environmental protection and efficiency. Once installed, the cap locks firmly in place and gives peace of mind that the fuel system is properly sealed. It performs well in daily driving conditions and helps maintain stable fuel system performance. Installation is quick and simple, requiring no special tools or professional help, which makes it very user-friendly. Overall, this is an affordable and dependable locking gas cap that offers good sealing performance, easy installation, and broad vehicle compatibility, making it a smart replacement choice for worn or missing fuel caps. Now number 4, Yithsway Fuel Cap. This fuel tank cap is a practical replacement for a wide range of GM family vehicles, including Buick, Chevrolet, Cadillac, GMC, Oldsmobile, Pontiac, and Isuzu models. It is designed to restore proper sealing performance when an old or damaged gas cap causes issues like fuel vapor smell or triggers the check engine light. In daily use, the cap fits securely and tightens until a clear click is felt, ensuring a proper seal for the fuel system. This helps prevent vapor leaks, reduces emissions, and supports better fuel system efficiency. Replacing a worn cap like this can often resolve minor EVAP-related warning issues. The build quality feels reliable for the price, and it installs easily without any tools. It is a simple plug-and-play replacement that any vehicle owner can handle on their own. Because of the wide compatibility list, it is important to double-check fitment before ordering. Overall, this is an affordable, functional, and effective solution for restoring proper fuel tank sealing and preventing unnecessary warning lights. And our last choice is Manymiba Fuel Cap. This gas cap replacement is a dependable and well-made solution for a wide range of Honda and Acura vehicles, including Civic, CR-V, Accord, Pilot, Odyssey, MDX, RDX, and more. It matches several OEM part numbers, so confirming compatibility before purchase is important to ensure a proper fit. The build quality feels solid, made from durable materials and thoroughly tested before shipping. Once installed, it fits securely and creates a proper seal for the fuel tank, helping prevent vapor leaks and maintaining correct fuel system pressure. In daily use, the cap installs easily with a direct fit design, requiring no modifications or special tools. It performs just like an original factory cap, restoring normal operation and helping avoid issues like fuel smell or EVAP-related warning lights. I also appreciate the wide compatibility across many Honda and Acura models, making it a versatile replacement option. The included 12-month warranty and responsive customer support add extra peace of mind. Overall, this is a simple, affordable, and reliable fuel cap that gets the job done effectively. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.